Abanyakegegwa bagambire mu kiganiro ningashi baraza y'abahagizi b'ekibiina kya Patriotic League of Uganda ekorire mu kishayi cyahamurwa omutawuni ya Kegegwa kandi ikiganiro eki kihikirweho 10 z'abantu kurwo mu Kegegwa na heru yayo.
Ntonga ino musango kuruge 2005 nintonga nitaka lyabanyagira tata ow'emyaka akabaine bwirogwe emyaka 8 omusajja ya mugamba ngo amutizita kalime yahandike kyandike kikugamba amugulize ekitaloho kyemani ekitaloho bataka tikino omuntu wena alexeningira wakwetwa owakibani aho baitu tubainena kukurugobu bikana sazino welosi wantu kasingo musango mwelesi tutu wagusinga hanu Kegegwa twagusinga omusajja na sazino alimuitaka itaka nalipangisa buli season milioni 5 na tutezezo milioni 5 kitaka lyaitu.
Ensonga yanje ni Paris Modo sanga abantu 20 baba vetinga baba handika akuvetinga bakiyama bagiga abora batine na 10 bakanga kufuna nangwa.
Ekiganiro eki kihikirwemu abanyishengero ba ministers n'abebembezi ba Patriotic League of Uganda.
I have been preaching about unity in Kegegwa. This must be a very strong lesson to our leaders that we must unite. Kegegwa is a unique district. It is a multicultural district. We have all the tribes of Uganda here in Kegegwa. We must deliberately unite.
Egenderwaho yaituwe yomukoro gunu yaba kugamba ngu kurwanisiza kimu obuli wenguzi bukarugeraho kimu.
Our theme for this function today is to fight
corruption.
Amina.
And
how are we going to fight it? It is you and me.
Bakoordinata ba PLU omu Kegegwa bashabira abebembezi okukwatanisa habo bumwe n'entunguka. Fadil Twara omuhandiki mukuru w'ekibiina kya PLU najya behireyo kutwara omumisho program za government ngu konka akire ekizibu ky'oburwenguzi.
Corruption.
Oburwenguzi.
It steals out of our children.
Nitabana baitu,
our schools,
amasomero,
our roads,
engudo,
our health sectors.
Ebyobwomezi.
We have said no.
Tusazira tugambe kumara nikimara.
So fighting corruption is for all of us.
Okurwanisa oburwenguzi kyaitu itwena.
It is for citizens.
Ikyaitu abanyihanga.
Hona yorekero kwatwaho ahabwa office ya RDC eremerwa kurwanisa oburwenguzi omu Kegegwa.
We have your office.
Mwine office yanyu ba RDC
with deputy
na deputy wawe
and the other 2 assistant RDCs.
Nabo abayambi banyu babiri ha district muro.
We have the resource office. So why do we cry about corruption? Why will the minister come to identify somebody who has eaten money for roads and yet all these government departments are there?
Gasha kwa Philip Murangira.